I probably need something else.
Keep going.
But you can see his eyes.
Scorpion.
Dun dun dun. 8.
Yeah, so open up that one. Through there.
It's like hard.
Rock. There, please. Well, that's pretty cool mini rock.
Easiest part. The mini piece.
Dog.
Yes.
Okay, but don't lose that. We'll need it.
Is it funny? Step 2. How's that? Need that shovel again.
Here.
Well, that's easy.
Yeah.
Strong. We're way ahead of them. Another
The
key.
key. Okay, so put a key in here.
Whoa.
What's in there?
A snake.
Crest.
Sword.
Ooh. Okay. Broke right open.
And then I think it's more rocks. Another blind bag in there.
He's probably buried in there.
Sect. We're way ahead of them.
Just go.
I can't.
Well, keep digging. Now?
No, I still. I bet you there's another team to save you, buddy.
Good job. Oh, his golden shield.
The shield goes on his head.
Okay. Crest goes into his shield. There we go.
Like that.
There. And turn. Oh!
And
Okay. Oh, it's all in there.
coins.
Oh.
A bunch of coins.
Mm-hmm. You can get them out?
Huh?
Then bird.
Where?
Tomb.
Ah. That's all the steps.
Weapons there.
Maybe I should. There's supposed to be more figures.
Cool king.